Hello, this time I will try IK Foam 1.5 with Ultimate Wash and Wax from Meguiars. I use 750 ml of water and 15 ml of shampoo. The Ultimate shampoo is very easy to mix, it's quite liquid. I pumped it 15 times. I love the foam that it produced with this Ultimate Carwash. It's quite balanced, the amount of the water and the foam sprayed out of the sprayer. It's still easy to be spread out, and I think it's one of the best, I guess. It clings very well and it has a very long dwell time compared to the others.